Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set up hotspot on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now to do that, just open settings, then tap on connections. From here, just tap on mobile hotspot and tethering, then tap on mobile hotspot. Now to enable hotspot on your Samsung phone, just enable this toggle and select turn off. And once you do that, you will turn on hotspot on your Samsung phone. Now on this page, first of all, you will find a section where you can see the data that has been used from your hotspot. After that, you will find a section which is related to your mobile hotspot. Now if you tap on network name, you can change the name of your mobile hotspot over here, just like that. And if you tap on password, you can change the password of your mobile hotspot. Now just create a password which must consist of at least 8 characters. Now just tap on save. And as you can see, we have successfully changed the network name and the password of our hotspot. After that, you will find the option of auto hotspot. Now this option will allow your smartphone to share its internet connection automatically with other devices that are signed into using your Samsung account, or with other devices that are part of your Samsung account's family group. And after that, finally, you have the option of one-time password. Now with this feature, you can share this password with a guest to allow them to use your hotspot temporarily. The next time you turn on your mobile hotspot, the password will be reset. Now if I enable this toggle, it will show a temporary password for our mobile hotspot on the screen. And if I disable this toggle and enable it back on, it will reset the temporary password on our smartphone. Just like that. And this is how you can set up mobile hotspot on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.